After some yard work, I get really hungry. I'm going to go inside and make a great sandwich out of some of the ingredients that I have in my refrigerator. Hi, welcome to Lornas.Cookin. I'm Lorna. I'm going to be making a sandwich with some of the ingredients that I already have in the refrigerator. It's going to be a great sandwich, but quick and easy. Please remember to subscribe. So let's get to it. These are the ingredients for a great sandwich. Now, it's not quite a Reuben because a Reuben would have corned beef instead of pastrami. And it's not a Rachel because Rachel would have coleslaw instead of sauerkraut. But I know for sure this is a great sandwich. I just don't know what to call it. Let's just call it a great sandwich. So I have rye bread. You can use any type of rye bread, light or dark. I have butter, Russian dressing, pastrami, sauerkraut, and Swiss cheese. Before I assemble a sandwich, I heat the meat. And you just stick it in the microwave for a few seconds so that the meat will be warm. And then you take a little bit of butter and you're going to spread the butter all over the outside of the bread. Now this is so that when the bread is toasting in the skillet, it'll have a nice toasted buttery outside. So I've buttered both pieces of bread because it's going to be toasted on those sides. And then I'm going to assemble the sandwich. I'm spreading a light coating of Russian dressing on the bottom. I'm layering about 6 to 8 ounces of meat on the bread. That's a good hearty portion. The next thing that I'll spread on the meat will be the sauerkraut. You want to make sure the sauerkraut is spread from end to end of the meat. Before I put the sauerkraut in the bowl, I did squeeze it out so to get all of the moisture out of it. You don't want a soggy sandwich. Spread a good amount of the sauerkraut across the meat. Now I'm putting on the Swiss cheese. I'm using 2 pieces to make sure that the sandwich is fully covered. Now take the other bread and turn it over and spread Russian dressing on the other piece of bread. Of course, the side that's not buttered. Place the second piece of bread, Russian side down, onto the Swiss cheese. And now I'm going to take it to the skillet to toast. I heated the skillet to a medium heat. I placed the sandwich in a heated skillet, pressing it down just a little bit with my spatula. And I'm going to let it toast for about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm just going to take my spatula, lift my sandwich out, and place it on a plate. I cut the sandwich in half. The sandwich doesn't have a name yet. And this is it. I'm going to eat this with sliced pickles and some chips and have a great lunch or dinner or snack. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.